Hey everyone! If you've ever found an app that doesn't have a direct integration with Zapier, don't worry, you can still automate it using webhooks. In 2026, webhooks are the universal translator of the internet, allowing any two apps to talk to each other. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to catch data from an app, test it using RecBin, and send it wherever you need. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create a catch hook trigger. First, log into Zapier.com and click Create Zap. For your trigger, search for and select Webhooks by Zapier. Under Event, choose Catch Hook. This tells Zapier to sit and wait for a piece of data to arrive at a specific address. Click Continue twice, and you'll see your unique webhook URL. Copy this URL to your clipboard immediately. Step 2. Set up the test in RecBin. Before we finish the zap, we need to send some dummy data so Zapier knows what to expect. We'll use a tool called RecBin. Open recbin.com in a new tab. In the main URL bar, paste the Zapier URL you just copied. Make sure the method is set to post using the drop-down menu on the left. Why RecBin is essential? Because you can test your automation without accidentally spamming real customers or messing up your actual database. Step 3. Verify and map your data. Go back to your Zapier tab and click the Test Trigger button. Zapier will now show you Record A, which contains the John Doe info you just sent from RecBin. Click Continue with selected record. Now you can add an action step, like Google Sheets or Slack, and map those name and email fields into your other apps. Once you hit Publish, your webhook is live and ready for real data. And that's it. You've officially bypassed a missing integration using a manual webhook. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.